If you have fewer resources, use your abilities to make money. If you have more resources, use your wisdom to make money. You must understand that the definition of making money always involves combining two elements to create a chemical reaction. When you start working in your 20s to 30s, it's all about earning through hard work and diligence. From 30 to 40, you rely on experience to make money. From 40 to 50, it's about making money through sound judgment. After 50, you rely on wisdom to earn, because by then you will have accumulated various experiences, knowledge, and networks. These resources enable you to create opportunities post-50. As I've mentioned in a previous episode, when you have sufficient resources, you can achieve sustained success. So after 50, you must leverage your resources, capital, credentials, assets, information, and even knowledge. Additionally, government support can help you use your wisdom to reorganize these resources, making your business more stable, replicable, sustainable, and long-lasting.